In the vast plains of Serengeti, a wildebeest named Zara roamed. Content and free, she lived among her kin, unaware of the destiny that awaited her. One day, the sky darkened, and a rumbling grew. Zara and her herd felt an almost instinctual pull towards the north. The great migration had begun. Zara hesitated. She had never ventured far from her home. The journey was long, dangerous, and filled with unknown perils. Yet, a strange force compelled her to follow. Days turned into nights, and nights into days. Zara, along with her herd, traversed the plains, crossing rivers and scaling hills. The journey was arduous, but they persevered. One day, they reached the Mara River. The herd began to cross, but Zara hesitated. The river was wide and treacherous, and she saw crocodiles lurking below. A wise old wildebeest named Mkubwa approached her. "Zara," he said, "you stand at a crossroads. To stay is to remain safe, but to go is to grow. The river may be dangerous, but so is life." Zara looked at Mkubwa, then at the river. She took a deep breath and plunged in. The current was strong, but she held on to a fellow wildebeest. Together, they reached the other side. Exhausted but triumphant, Zara realized the importance of the journey. She had faced her fears and grown stronger. The migration was not just a journey across a river, but a metaphor for life itself. From then on, Zara lived each day with courage and resilience, always ready to face the challenges that life threw at her. She understood that growth and change were inevitable, and that sometimes, the most dangerous paths led to the greatest rewards. So, if you find yourself at a crossroads, remember Zara. Take a deep breath, hold on tight, and plunge in. For the most dangerous paths often lead to the most rewarding destinations.